guys, hope you're doing well. Thank you for checking out today's content. If you're new, hi, I'm Ansley. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming back. I appreciate the support. So this is That's Really Pretty, where we discuss all things beauty and makeup. And today we are talking a little bit about skincare and Whole Foods and beauty subscriptions. So trying to hit a whole bunch at once. So I would say like a month ago, maybe. I know my voice is really high right now as I'm trying to remember and not lie. So sorry. About a month ago when I went home, my dad was nice enough to pick me up one of the, what are they called? Oh, I don't remember the name of them. They're from Whole Foods. That's like their yearly beauty bag that they do. So I'm not sure if they're in all stores, but select stores get a set number of these curated bags, and once they're gone, they're gone. So I did want to unbox this with you guys, kind of talk through what some of my initial thoughts were. I am going to test these out for the next month, and then I will do a kind of product review video. So it's less about the bag itself, but actually talking about the products that are in the bag, because you are able to still pick those up. So it's something crazy. I think this bag is like 18, 20 bucks, but the retail value is close to $100 of all the stuff you get. So I looked at the bag for this year. It just came out on March 23rd. I didn't really like it. They had some face products that I couldn't use, so I'm really excited that my dad did get me this, and the bag is cute, and I like the products that are in this one, and it's more focused on skincare, and there's not a lot of makeup stuff. So all right, let's go ahead and jump on in. So I've taken everything out of the bag and I put it in this little box. So I'm just gonna go through everything with you guys. It does come with a little card from Whole Foods, and let me count the number of products that are in here really quickly. So it's a pretty big card list. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products, and then of course the bag. And the bag is by Peace & Co. It's an organic cotton bag. So I'm just gonna reach my hand in and tell you guys about each of the products. I have used a few of them so far, so I will give you my initial thoughts, but like I said, check back in about a month and a half maybe. I will upload my follow-up video and show you guys kind of what I thought, what worked, what didn't work, what I would recommend. So the first thing we're gonna start off with is something that I can't pronounce. It is the Dr. Hashka facial toner. So this one is limited edition. I'm gonna see if there's anything worth mentioning for, yes. So it's a facial toner. You get 1 fluid ounce. It's a balancing and hydrating formula to support skin's natural process and leave the skin feeling smooth, toned, and radiant. So, and a lot of these things are organic or from essential oils. So you get a nice little size. I did use this morning. I like it. It feels a little dry on the skin. So some toners are hydrating, some toners are kind of like astringent and they're very stripping. This felt to me more on the stripping side, but it did get some of the excess dirt off of my skin. So that is product number 1. Product number 2 is from Evan Healy. It is the Wild Carrot Nourishing Eye Balm. So this one is kind of neat. I like the packaging, but I did use this morning and I like it. So I will say that I do like it, but I'm gonna read to you guys what it says on here and then give you some more of my thoughts. So it says, smooth and protect delicate skin around the eyes with organic cocoa butter and organic sunflower, avocado, rose hip, and coconut oils. So it's very much so like a chapstick. So you don't want to apply it directly on the skin because you'll be tugging at your eye, and that's the most delicate skin on your body. It's the most delicate skin on your skin. So you don't want to apply it directly to the skin, but I found that I'm doing some kind of loving on my eyelashes right now. I've been using a eye serum, and I use the Dior eyeshadow or mascara primer, excuse me, on my eyes both morning and night. So I find that at night when I wake up, my eyes are very dry. So I was like frantically on Sephora's website at like 1 this morning. I didn't sleep at all last night. So I've been up for a while. I don't look tired, but boy, oh boy, man, I tell you. So I was up researching very moisturizing eye creams. And so I was like, let me get out this bag and see if there's anything in here. So it turns out they had an eye cream, which is the eye balm. So I do like it. You can't, for me, okay. I don't think you should use it on its own. I think it layers nicely under products. Like, let's say you have an eye cream that you like, but you find it's not super moisturizing. You could layer the eye balm underneath it, and that would go a long way for you liking kind of how your eyes feel overall. So they do say if you're gonna apply makeup on top of it to let it dry just a little bit, and it doesn't take that long, but I mean, so far so good. I tried it this morning, so I'll try it tonight and I'll keep using it and give you guys an update. So next, and the rest of the products are things I haven't tried yet. This is the Trilogy CoQ10 Booster Oil. Let's see, what does this say? So a potent and moisturizing blend of plant oils and antioxidants that nourish, recharge, and vitalize the skin. So you get a decent sample size, also considering it's an oil, you don't need a lot. So the directions say to follow this up with a moisturizer. I don't like doing that. I either want a face oil that's going to moisturize and it's going to serve that purpose, or I'll just use a face moisturizer. So I might end up giving this away to someone. I'm not necessarily concerned about wrinkles, so I might give this to my mom and see if she likes it. Next, we have the Almond Soothing Facial Lotion. Same thing, I might give this to my mother. I have very sensitive skin, so don't know if I'm going to use that. It says it restore moisture balance after cleansing with a lightweight sweet almond oil-based lotion. So if you have oily skin, an oil-based lotion might not be the best for you. You might want to try something water-based, but you get a decent enough sample size to try it out to see if you like it. So next we have a product I really like. This is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel for sensitive skin. So I have a full size of this. I got it in my Beauty Fix Derm Store subscription when I subscribed to that service. So it's great for sensitive skin. So I do like it. I will probably give this away since I still have my full size of it, but that's not to say that I don't like it. So this says organic green apple juices provide alpha hydroxy acids to exfoliate and even skin tone and texture, while vitamin E and organic aloe provide nourishment and hydration. So I can't necessarily speak to all of those claims. I will just say that whenever I used the peel, I felt like my skin was very soft afterwards. I would say maybe over time you can see it kind of help with exfoliating, and which will help turn over skin cells and help with hyperpigmentation, but I don't think it's potent enough to clear up the marks that I have on my face. But I like it. It's a nice easy peel. It's great. So next, there's so many products, sorry. I feel like I'm just going through them. I don't want this video to be 80 minutes long. So next is the Acura Pore Clarifying Red Clay Mask with Moroccan Red Clay and Argan Extract. It said it's good for all skin types. So this says it's Moroccan Red Clay and Argan Stem Cells combined to draw out impurities, hydrate, and tone for a glowing complexion. So I haven't tried this yet. I'm not a huge fan of clay masks because I don't like when they dry on your face and they're all crinkly. So I'll give this a shot and see if I like it. My sister likes clay masks, so I could give this on to her. But yeah, I mean, clay masks do work. They help to draw the impurities out of your skin. I'm just not a huge fan of them. But in the morning, as a part of my skincare routine, I typically do a mask for about 10 minutes. So I could get some use out of it if I do like it. Next is a Whole Foods product. It is a dry skin hand cream with peony, mint, and blackberry with 20% shea butter. It's quite the combo of ingredients there. Let's see what it says. What does it say? All right. This says, nourishing super moisturizing hand cream featuring argan oil and made with 20% shea butter to smooth dry, cracked hands. So cute packaging. I'm curious to see what it smells like. That mint is interesting. See, my hands are so dry. Doesn't really smell like much. All right. Again, I have very sensitive skin, so I can't use a lot of products. I'm currently using this hand food by Soap and Glory. At first, I thought it did a really good job and was really helping to moisturize my skin. Now, not so much. And maybe because after my surgery, I'm not drinking as much water as I was able to prior to the surgery. Oh, it smells really good. It smells delicious. So that could be something else, but I could potentially be in the market for a new hand cream. I'm not married to continue to use this. So yeah, I'll give this a try. It's a little greasy, so that could be good for me in my dry skin, but if you don't have super dry skin or you don't like that feeling on your hands, this might not be for you. All right, I've got 4 more products. You get so many things in this little bag. So the next thing is this Andolu Naturals Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk. And it says it's age defying. So I know I can't use this with my retinol. I can't use lactic acids together. So I'll probably pass this on to someone else, probably my madre. And this says it's a gentle formula that removes makeup while fruit stem cells and probiotics work towards brightening the complexion's appearance. So, as you guys can tell, I'm not the best at reading aloud. So I'm struggling. But I like the idea of this product. I just tried a milk cleanser this morning because I remembered there was one of these in here and it completely burned my face. But I'm loving the ingredients list. I do love milk cleansers. Maybe if I get to a point with my retinols where I use it every other day, I would consider using the milk cleanser. But it really burned my face this morning. So I'm going to stay away from that. Next, we have a lip product. This is by Pacifica. It is their Deeply Devoted Natural Lipstick in the shade Tender Heart. So that's what it looks like. I'll put it on my lips quickly. How are you guys? It's a beautiful shade. It's a little ashy on my top lip. So, and it's a little thick, but maybe if you go in with a liner, it's a little bit more brown girl friendly, but it's a great shade. I can see why they included it in here. It should work for a lot of skin tones, but let's read about it. Let's see what it says. Alrighty. So this creamy hydrating formula for moisturizing lips and tenderness, a semi-matte, highly pigmented rosy taupe. All right, that's a lot of words. It is very creamy. I'm not the biggest fan of super creamy formulas on my lips, but it is pretty. I do like how it looks on my bottom lip, and as it wears away, it'll leave like a nice little feminine tint to it. So all right. It's fine. I like it. So yeah, so maybe pair it with a lip liner if it's a little too ashy for your top lip, like it is on mine. I will link my Nicki Minaj MAC collab video because I do have a lipstick that is in the similar shade, so you can see what I paired with it in terms of a lip liner and a lip gloss. So we have 2 more products as this box is falling off the table. Next, we have the Hydrating Derma E Hyaluronic Acid Night Cream. That's what it looks like. It feels very lightweight, like so light. It's like, is there anything in there? So it says deeply penetrating, rich and ultra hydrating moisture with antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin E, plus hyaluronic acid to improve skin's appearance. So I might hold off on using this. I'm not sure where it has a place in my regimen. I would potentially have to use it in the morning. And this says it's a night cream. So I might do a little bit of digging, do some research to see if I can use it in the morning. I could definitely use it, but I don't use a moisturizer at night. I haven't started to yet. So with my retinol, I'm still researching and understanding what I can and can't use with it. And my retinol is a 1%, so it's pretty potent. I do believe you can use moisturizers, and hyaluronic acid is supposed to be very moisturizing. So if I can use it together, I will test it and give it a shot and let you guys know. So lastly, we have another makeup pick in here. This is the Mineral Fusion Volumizing Mascara in the shade Jet. I'll show you guys the wand. I haven't even opened this yet, but Jet is usually jet black, and the top of this is brown. So I don't know about this. Ugh. Let's see. I think it is brown. I like brown. It's a very, nope, it's black. All right, cool. So, I mean, brown is a great mascara color to just kind of lighten your look a little bit. So, on my eyes right now, I have the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is one of my new favorite mascaras, and I really enjoy it. So, this is an easy thing for me to test out. I'll try this a couple times and let you guys know what I think. And I do like the fact that it is, I think this is mineral-based, and it's hypoallergenic, which is cool. So this says a gentle mineral color formula applies easily and defines each lash without clumps, flakes, and smudges. So mascara is always good to have. They expire so quickly. It's nice to try different things and keep your rotation fresh. So that is it, you guys. That was a lot of stuff. Woo! try to keep this video not too long, but if you tried any of these, let me know in the comments. If you picked up this beauty bag, if you picked up this year's beauty bag, I would love to hear what your thoughts are. I am going to try these over the next month and give you guys an update as to what worked, what didn't work, what I liked, what I'd recommend, and I will do an updated skincare routine at some point. I've talked about doing skincare videos on my channel for so long now, but finally gonna do it. It's finally gonna happen, so stay tuned for that. But thank you again for checking out my content. I appreciate the support. Comment any questions you have down below. Give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. All right guys, take care and have a great rest of the day. Bye.